Conjuring, noun, the process or product of making magic. A gathering of folks with the purpose of doing a work. A sexual or erotic experience that is ritualistic and pregnant with intimacy, passion, and desire. The work of bush doctors, hoodoo folks, conjure women, shamans, blues artists, jazz musicians, funk masters, tribal house magicians, underground hip-hop heads, practitioners of the arts and sciences of the Black Hand, the underbelly and crossroads, as well as the followers of the Black Mama, the lady with the thick thighs and she who dances in blood and fire. Verb. The present progressive tense of the verb conjure, to use desire, intentionality, and spiritual power to mix elements from the environment in a manner that produces a magical effect, to work roots, to trouble the waters, to call into physical reality that which is germinated in the loins, believed in the heart, and conceived in the mind. I am Dr. Herukhuti, a clinical sociologist, cultural studies scholar, traditional African shaman. My work focuses on sexuality, culture, gender, spirituality, mainly within the African diaspora community. The founder of Black Funk, the Center for Culture, Sexuality, and Spirituality. I'm also the author of the book Conjuring Black Funk, Notes on Culture, Sexuality, and Spirituality, Volume 1.
There is this conversation between the sexual and the spiritual. I mean, how many times have we had an orgasm and we said, "Oh my God"? I mean, we instinctively, right? We instinctively call out the name of the divine at the moment of orgasm, or the building of the orgasm. It's revolutionary. You were troubling the waters. So likewise, in Black Funk, the Center for Culture, Sexuality, and Spirituality, we are also engaged in the embrace of the queer and the transgressive, and thinking about queer not limited to the notion of someone identifying as lesbian, gay, bisexual, or trans. In fact, the way in which those movements have been co-opted by whiteness and co-opted by capitalism and co-opted by the politics of respectability. What we're saying is that queer means something different, that what queer means is challenging the status quo and the mainstream, not trying to buy a seat at the table, but about turning the table over and fucking on it. That's what we're talking about in terms
Each
of
time
what is possible in
come to speak to a group, I'm humbled by the thought that everything that has occurred in their lives and everything that has occurred in mine, everything that our ancestors have done, that our spirit guides have brought into being, contributes to that very moment when we are together. And so I look forward to being with you, seeing you, touching you, and spending this time with you.